Hello team. We are here to record our sprint overview for the sprint three. So in this sprint three, we as a team, we've completed several backend APIs, and we have finalized our financial dashboard Figma design. We got approval from the sponsor to go ahead, and we have successfully started front-end the dashboard development and performed backend integration testing. So I'll give an overview of each user story. So starting with user story 55, we worked on the recommendation system API. So this API generates personalized financial solutions based on the user past financial behavior and the learning progress from the given modules. And coming to the next user story 54, we implemented APIs to support the financial dashboard where the response from this API is what we see in the financial dashboard UI. Yeah, this endpoint is used to retrieve the dashboard data. Yeah, and also used to provide data for the dashboard graphs. And coming to the user story 59, we perform backend integration testing across multiple phases to ensure that different modules such as budget plans, ledger events, pay events, and recommendations work correctly together. We also prepared an integration testing plan and validated key API integrations. Uh, Next, moving on to the story 61. So here, the front end foundation was set up. The entire environment was set up by configuring the React project structure, installing dependencies, and implementing authentication flow. So this includes setting up login, sign up, JWT, authorization handling, and routes for the same. Moving on to the actual implementation of dashboard was done in user story 65, prior to which we have finalized our Figma design for the same. So in this user story, through these tasks, we finalized the dashboard UI design and started implementing the dashboard layout with the necessary components like navbar, dashboard cards, and progress widgets. Then we also began integrating APIs. So we thought of, we initially thought of implementing the APIs to make this entire site dynamic. But as of now, we are about to push this task to next sprint, and as of now, the UI is static. Uh, Going on to the story 69, we began planning the budget tool UI and its features. And so all these tasks, we decided to take it on to the next sprint, which is sprint 4. Yeah. So while continuing this overview of the major work for in this sprint has been finalizing our financial dashboard UI. I'll be sharing it now. I hope everybody can see this. So yeah. So based on it is, I think I feel that we as a team feel that this is a product of multiple meetings, multiple suggestions and improvements. Uh, so so this is what the user sees first, and starting with the so I'll just go through each component in this dashboard UI and what its importance is. Firstly, we start with the horizontal navigation bar in the starting, where this lets the users move between sections where you can see dashboard modules till the about section. And we'll talk about the hero section where basically with the text here, I think it's a product of so it basically introduces the platform and highlights our goal of helping users to improve their financial knowledge through lessons. It just states that. Moving on to the dashboard summary card, it shows as it is quite depictable from what we see. It shows quick stats such as lessons completed, the accuracy, and overall user engagement. Yeah, this is a very good dynamic feature that we try to implement. We're about to implement. And going on the next card, which is the module progress card. Uh, so so it shows. progress of the user across various across different financial topics. And moving on to our next important component, we show the financial trade-offs chart, where through this we try to visualize we provide the progress in the visualization form across all the financial modules over time. So we are basically providing this visualization to let the user know their progress, for them to track their progress. And next, we have also included the module status cards here, where these cards are basically we are kind of giving a summarization or a snapshot of the current status of each financial topic, and we're highlighting areas that needs attention. And moving on to the next component, which is uh, dashboard insights. So we'll also be so there is this is included in design for the only one reason, which is giving a personalized service to the user, where our service is insights, where it provides recommendations and the next best action for the user based on their progress and history. And we've also given a weekly progress, where it's quite understandable from what we see that it shows the user's weekly learning activity and the time spent on learning from the modules we have provided. And moving on to the modules hub. So this section is used to display all financial modules with progress indicators and quick access to the same using the continue learning button. And this is at the end of this UI, this is our footer. It just contains few navigation links and as usual across all the footers, like it contains general platform information. So yeah, this is our sprint overview. And so throughout the sprint, we as a team also participated in stand-ups, project discussions, and maintain the Tiger board and meeting documentation. Yeah. Thank you all.